Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect Squarespace domain to Webflow. So first is you have to log into your Squarespace account and then go to your domains list. After that, log into your Webflow account. That's right. And then right here, you just have to publish your site. Okay, so say for example, we are done customizing this website. So all you have to do is click on the publish option. So right here, you have this add a custom domain. So you just have to tap on it. So here on Webflow, in order for you to add a custom domain, you have to subscribe to a plan. Okay, so the basic is all good. So we have the custom domain right here. All right. So after subscribing to a plan and successfully purchase this plan, all you have to do next is to open your Squarespace domain. All right. And then after that, you'd be able to see here now this details. So we have the host and the type of the new record. So just go to the DNS section. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so once you're here on Webflow and you have successfully subscribed to a plan, you'd be able to get these details. So you just have to add a record. Okay, and then you just have to add here the host. So for example, the host is at, and then for the type, of course, we are going to type out right here the A. So after that, you just have to paste here the IP address. All right, so after that, you just have to save it. Okay, so for the CNAME, of course, it's www for the host, and for the type, it's the CNAME, and then just have to paste here the alias data from your Webflow website. So you'd be able to see that right here once you subscribe to a plan. All right, so after that, you just have to save it, and then you just have to verify your action here on Webflow. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.